What's the best business strategy on LinkedIn? Well, it's going to be different for every business, I'm sure. I've changed my strategy quite a bit recently. When I started on LinkedIn and really got active, I spent an awful lot of time posting and also consuming content from other people and engaging in the comments and trying to make myself known that way. It worked in terms of me being able to build an audience. I grew a following of, I think it's 12 or 12,500 people now, 12,500 followers, which isn't really all that impressive when you look at some of the big names on LinkedIn. But, for me, it was pretty good. And it was getting to be where I got to know so many people that there was this expectation of engagement both on my post, but also in return on other people's posts. And it got so that there was so much I had to keep up with. Much of my day, my business day, would vanish on me just by spending time on LinkedIn. Well, that's not very productive. LinkedIn is great, and it's great to engage with the great people there. I've met a lot of people who've become friends, in fact. But it doesn't pay the bills to do business that way. So I had to come up with a new approach. What I'm doing now is really not posting at all at the moment, although I will come back to posting, but I'm writing more articles. I'm doing that periodically, and the advantage of that is articles, unlike posts, don't vanish after a couple of days in the feed. Articles are a much more evergreen type of content, and the advantage really is because they're there and they stay there, I can refer people to them if there's a topic that I want people to read about. And I can also include links in those articles to other places online, whether it's videos like this on YouTube or something on my website or in some other place on the internet. Those links, those backlinks, if you will help my search engine optimization. They help to grow my digital footprint so I can be found more often when people are searching for things on Google. So that's my strategy right now, and it is working for me. It's giving me that balance of control of my time, but also using LinkedIn as a good business tool. So there's some advantage for me that will actually help me in the long run to get paid, something I can take to the bank rather than just the views and the engagement that I get, which I also love too, but it has to be much more than that for business. All the best.